Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use gestures. At the back side of each earbud we have touch areas. With it you can play or pause the song or the movie. You can play next or previous track or next or previous videos. You can call voice assistant. You can also swap between ambient sound control, and you can customize it in the application. So you need to open HUAWEI AI Live application, and right here we have gesture control. So you can set, as you can see, I set to call voice assistant because by default we have play and pause for the double press. Also we have next track for the triple press, but I set to play previous track. So it's a good one. Next, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer presets. Right here we have 4 of them, so you can select the best one for you. Also, as I said, you can swap between ambient sound control, so it means that you have ANC, what means active noise cancellation. You can enable it in the application or by gestures. Also, right here we have transparency mode, so when you met someone you don't need to remove your earbuds, you just enable transparency mode. Let me put it to my ear and I will show it to you. So, and you speak with someone, or sound control. And right here we have 4 presets for the ANC. You can select dynamic and it will change your ANC level depending on your background. You can set to low ANC, medium or maximum. So it's up to you. When you lose your earbud, you can find them by using application, but your earbuds should be or inside the charging case, and charging case should be opened, or outside from the charging case. Because once you put your earbuds to the case and close the case, it will automatically disconnect your earbuds and you cannot find them. But then you play a sound for your left or right earbud and you can find them. Next trick only for Android users, but not for all of them, because this earbud support LDAC, what means high resolution audio codec, but your phone should support this codec also. And right here in the application you can scroll down, go to sound quality, select prioritize sound quality, and now you will use LDAC. But again, your phone should support this codec. To prove it for you, we can go to developer options, and as you can see, we use LDAC. Also, this earbud support dual connection, so you can connect both the devices to your earbuds simultaneously, and I guess it's a good one. And also I tested microphone, and these earbuds have a good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally and when I spoke softly. This microphone mutes street sound, not fully, but mute them, and distorted your voice just a bit, but it's okay. Next, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can put your earbuds to the case, but do not close it. Press and hold connection button for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. And then you need to only reconnect your earbuds with the phone. If you don't know how, you can check that video, how to perform factory reset at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!